Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade BTCUSD, that's Bitcoin, on the lower time frame. I'll be starting with the analysis of Bitcoin on the higher time frame. I'll be starting with the weekly time frame. What we can see is the price of Bitcoin rose back in the time up to this level. We have a dip, then rose higher than the initial level. Then we have a general bearish trend. But what we're now seeing is something like a triple bottom or inverted head and shoulder on the weekly time frame. This is the left shoulder. Okay, this is the right, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder on the weekly time frame. Okay, so what we are looking at currently is the fact that the price of Bitcoin is gradually going bullish, and what we currently have is something like a bullish flag. Okay, we have a bullish flag on the weekly time frame, and we expect this to, push. We expect price to break out of this flag and push up to let's see how far price might likely go. Push up to this point. Okay, up to the 36628 level. So that's what we forecasting for Bitcoin on a long-term basis. This could take weeks, this could take months. All right, that's the likely forecast. But if that's gonna fail, if price is gonna break below, we might see price drop into this order block. I'm talking about this support level on the weekly time frame. Price might find support at that point and continue up. All right. But if that support level fails, we still have another support level, another order block. At the bottom, we have this particular order block at the bottom. I'm talking about this order block at the bottom that could serve as support to price before price might likely appreciate and go up. But that's that for the weekly time frame. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. What do we have on the daily time frame? On the daily time frame, what we have is the fact that the price of Bitcoin is ranging downwards. Okay, we have like a bearish trend for the price of Bitcoin. We have this high around here. We have a low, we have a lower high, and we have a lower low, lower high. So we might be seeing something like a lower low, a drop, okay, on the daily time frame. We might be seeing a drop, but if the drop is going to happen, we have this ascending trend line where we price starts to form. We have this low around here. We have this low, more like a triple bottom. Okay, on the daily time frame, this particular shadow, look at what happened. We have another shadow around here, another weak candle wick around here. Okay, the second bottom, and then we have something like this here, like a swing low forming around here. So if price is able to appreciate up, we might see a break of this neckline. We might see a break of a neckline around here. We might see something like this price might go up to break the descending trend line, retest both the neckline and the descending trend line for price to continue up. But that's just a forecast. It's not certain. It's not 100% certain. It's just a possible forecast that price might likely go. So I expect price to respect this particular ascending trend line. Failure of that ascending trend line might send price back to the range bottom. This is our range bottom. Failure of this ascending trend line might send price back to this range bottom. And if that range bottom does not hold price, we have this order block on the daily time frame around this point. We have this particular order block that might serve as support to price on the daily time frame for price to find support and go up. But if that fails, we have the last stronghold, which is last order block at this particular level. We have this order block at this particular level that might serve as support to price for price to find a level of support and then go up. So that's that for BTCUSD on the daily time frame. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? We see price trying to form a bottom around here. We have this bottom, we have another bottom, and what we can see on this particular side of the chart is the fact that we have something like a double bottom on the chart. This is our first bottom, and this is the second bottom on the chart, and price is trying to appreciate. Although we are currently in a range, price is currently in a range where this is the range top, this is the range bottom, okay, for price. So we might want to wait and look at how price will break out of this range for us to make a decision. Still on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that price is currently ranging. But as price ranges, we can see price forming what we have some like a price forming. This is a low, this is a high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It's more like a bullish, the initiation or the start of a bullish trend. So we might want to wait for price to break above the structure around here for us to buy, or we might buy up to that point. I'm talking about the 27291 point. So we might buy up to that point. But if that particular level fails and we see price breaking down below the ascending trend line, we have this order block that might serve as support to price. This particular order block might serve as support to price, okay, and price might come to this level, find some support before going up. So that's that on the 1 hour time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, what do we have? You can see price ranging. Price is ranging on the 30-minute time frame. We have this order block that might serve as support to price, and we have this order block that might serve as resistance to price on the 30-minute time frame. This order block, so price got between these two levels. We have the first upper level, which is the 27254 level, and we have the lower level, which is the 27042 level. So price got between the two levels, a break above or below the level, we might see price making or going in a direction. On the 15-minute time frame, we can see price is gradually edging up. Price is gradually moving up. On the 15-minute time frame, this is a low, this is another higher low, and we can see more like a cup shape. Price is forming a cup shape. So a likely target for price near term is the 27286 level. We have a low here, we have a high, higher low, higher high, lower low, we have a high, higher low, higher high. So price is gradually rising up. Okay, we might be seeing price appreciate towards this direction for Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, as we continue to have these shadows forming bottoms, okay, on the 15-minute time frame, showing that the buyers are gradually stepping in. Now, a failure of this particular level might take price down to the ascending trend line. The failure of that level might take price to the ascending trend line for price to find support and then tick up. But we have this order block around here. There's this order block around here, okay, that might also serve as support to price, and this order block is in confluence with the ascending trend line. Okay, on the 5-minute time frame, what do we have for Bitcoin, for BTCUSD? The 5-minute time frame, we see price of BTCUSD ranging. We have a ranging price action where price have a range top at that point, and we have price form a range bottom at that point. So we might want to wait for price to either break the 27205 level or break the 27175 level before we break a trade decision. But the overall direction is bullish for now. On the 1 minute time frame, price is ranging. We might want to wait for a range breakout before we take our trade decision. So that's that for today's video on BTCUSD, how to trade BTCUSD on the lower time frame. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, why don't you go ahead and click the subscribe button, click the like button if you like the video. Go ahead and drop a comment below the video, ask questions, try as much as possible to respond to your question. You can share the video to your friends and loved ones. You can also click the bell button below the video for notifications so that when we release another video tomorrow, you will be notified. Also, you can go to our website www.benefittrader.com to learn more on how to trade BTCUSD. You can visit another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade BTCUSD. Till I come your way tomorrow, is bye for now.